today's video, I am going to be kicking off my Christmas decorating series for 2023.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Now, in today's video, we're going to be decorating my dining room area, and of course, I'm adding a Christmas tree. And as promised, it will be gingerbread theme. And we're also going to do a simple vignette on my dining table. I'm not going to set it for Christmas dinner yet. You'll have to come back and check out that video. And I'm also going to be decorating my little pantry area in the dining room. So without further ado, let's get decorating. So we're going to be decorating in my dining room today. And this is the before look of what it looks like at the moment. Now we're going to be adding some garland here, across here, all the way across like I normally do. And this is the tree that's in the corner here. This is a 7-foot cashmere tree. And as you can see, I already have the collar on it, the same one that I've used before, and we're going to go ahead and get started decorating this tree. So I'm going to go through this bin, and most likely I'm going to go through this off camera. And as you can see, I've labeled it all ornaments, gingerbread tree plus cocoa bar decor. And as you can see, my little Gingy right here. So I'm going to go through this quickly and only pull out the ornaments that I have, and then I'm going to add some new things that I purchased on clearance during last Christmas season. So this is the ribbon that I'm going to be using on the Christmas tree. And this ribbon was purchased last year from New River Pottery on the after Christmas sale. So I am going to be adding some of this ribbon into the tree, hopefully. And this right here is ribbon in my stash that I have used before. So I'm thinking I'm going to combine the two together. So we'll see how that's going to play out. And I also purchased these little adorable ornaments here from Hobby Lobby last year. They were on clearance as well. And I thought these were kind of like the ones that I was showing you in the Hobby Lobby blog that had the little chef hat. I thought that's what I had. If I'd known I didn't have it in my collection, I would have bought it. But nevertheless, we're going to use what I have. And of course, doesn't she have a friendly face? So this is just a quick overview of what I have pulled to decorate this tree this year. Now these these little miniature mugs here, I purchased them last year on a super duper clearance from Hobby Lobby, and I have been collecting them. I may put those on the tree. These right here, I think I shared that in a video. These are the ornaments from last year from Walmart that I got on after clearance sale. So I have those ornaments there. And then this is all my peppermint decor. Some of those ornaments that I actually shared in my haul. These are the ones I had last year. And I forgot these gingies here. I also purchased these last year after Christmas from New River Pottery here. I thought they were adorable. I didn't see these back this year, I don't think. But let me show you their original price. It was $8.49. And I forgot what the clearance sale was at the time. I don't know whether it was 70% off. I think that's what it was. So I may add these into the tree as well. So I went ahead and turned all the lights on to the tree. Isn't this nice and cozy on a cloudy and rainy day? And so, like I said, I'm going to be starting with my ribbon first. So I went ahead and took my little gingerbread ribbon, and I have made a 8-loop bow, and that's going to be my topper. So we're going to go ahead and place this on the tree. So I have added the ribbon to the top of this tree. I am going to place a second one in the back to complete this look and to make it full. Garland and I folded in half, and now I'm just installing it on the wall to ensure that both sides are evenly distributed around the frame of the pantry. Some ribbon and lace it throughout the garland. These are the two ribbons that I'm going to be using. The white one I purchased on clearance last Christmas from New River Pottery, and the red and white stripe, I purchased some of this last year and I repurchased again from Hobby Lobby. Let's get started. Next, I'm going to be adding these glittery white picks along with these red and white candy stripe lollipops. And I'm also going to add some little gingerbread throughout the garland as well as some additional layering and visual interest throughout. I hope you all are enjoying this video so far. I know I'm having lots of fun decorating for Christmas. Here I am dressing up this simple white vessel, or you can say floral pottery. And I'm just adding that red and white candy stripe ribbon to give it another layer and texture. I'm also going to be adding some greenery stems. I'm going to keep it very simple because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this as my centerpiece when I come back to create the table settings. Two large candy pieces here. I thrifted these items maybe 2 to 3 years ago, and they actually open up where you can insert candy on the inside.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, no.
Please leave a light on for Christmas, for all who spend it on their own. Please leave a light on for Christmas, and maybe one so lost can finally find a home. Please keep your hopes up for Christmas, that maybe all the firing will cease. Please keep your hopes up for Christmas, that maybe this whole world can finally be at peace. I believe we can, if we just believe we can. And I believe we must find a way to build some trust. And you know I'm sure, if we just walk through that door, we could have all we're asking for and more. This Christmas, please let it be so.
I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that the ideas that I shared in this video gives you some great ideas and kind of help you out with your Christmas decorating if you have not started yet. Don't forget to make sure that your notification bell is on so you won't miss a single new video that I will be posting. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys.